Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying which devices are active so you can eliminate duplicate captures. Open your recorder and your OS sound settings. Set a single default output and a single input. Once done, disable any virtual audio devices you do not need, because many screen recorders capture both system mix and a virtual loopback. Make sure your microphone isn't also routed into system audio. This prevents the recorder from grabbing the same signal twice and gives you a clean baseline to work from. Now you configure the recorder itself so you capture only the intended channels. In the app, select either direct system audio capture or a loopback device. Avoid enabling both because they duplicate sound. Disable microphone monitoring and stereo mix options that feed mic audio back into system audio. If your recorder supports multi-track recording, assign mic to track 1 and system audio to track 2. That way you can mute or lower one track in post. This step ensures you have finish by running a short test recording while monitoring with headphones so you catch echoes immediately. If you still hear double sound, stop and mute one of the tracks or disable the loopback device you enabled earlier. Often the fix is simply turning off the duplicate source. If the duplicate persists, import the clip into an audio editor, identify the duplicate waveform, and delete or invert phase the redundant track. One key troubleshooting tip: always retest after each change so you isolate which setting fixed the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.